Alright, we're getting back on the S10 today. Hopefully we'll get the suspension all mounted up. We're going to start with the engine mounts. I did want to show something I didn't show in the last video. I got some tan paint on. It's obviously not anywhere near the same color, but it's fine. It'll be covered up for the most part, and I'm happy with it. Got my rubber piece back in here on the window. Alright, here's the new engine mount kit. This is from Dirty Dingo. These look really nice. These are the pieces they make. This goes on the LS side. Comes with all the hardware, and then they also send you, these are literally just new S10 mounts for the frame side. There's an original mount compared to a new one. I'll flip it around. Basically the exact same. So we're gonna get these in. These aren't needed yet, but I did want to show off the kit that we got. It's really nice. Oh man, it actually sits kind of low now. I don't know if anybody caught it, but in that time lapse, the springs wouldn't go back in. I don't have a good spring compressor, and also just knowing the future plans of this truck, I was like, you know what, let's do it. I cut the springs so they would fit back in, and also just for fun. And yeah, it sits pretty low. Probably once the LS is in, it'll be too much. I don't know yet, but let's see if we can see the rake on this truck. You can't really tell right now, but it's probably gonna have an insane amount of rake until we lower the back end. But like I said, the suspension's all gonna change hopefully in the near future, so not too worried about it. Alright, I got a template made for my new piece. Now all I gotta do is find some adequate steel and start fabricating. Alright. I just gotta do a couple adjustments, mostly on this side with this corner right here. And then cut off, or just, you know, round those corners a little bit. And then I went around the edge and I adjusted the welder. It's much better. And just kind of went around the edge everywhere. That I gotta grind down. That was a little hole filler there. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna clean that up and paint it like that. I'm not gonna try to grind those welds down. Those look good, so I'm happy with it. Hopefully this all was worth it. Alright, there it is. That is a notch in the frame done. Alright, I'm going to call it a wrap there. Thank you guys for watching. The next video should be really fun, something super cool, so make sure you guys subscribe and follow along so you don't miss out. We'll see you next time. Take it easy.